Video is for educational and documentary purposes only. 18 plus only. Thank you for not deleting me, YouTube. Get Rippers 420 here. Today is number 21, day 21 of grow. As you can see, Strawberry Cough, she is ready for watering. As you can see, something's been eaten on her. I haven't been able to find it yet, but just keep an eye on her. Purple Lemonade's doing pretty good, but we're going to go ahead and give her a little water too today. But as you can tell, this one is drooping, and that's how you can tell that she is ready for water. See how she is limp? And just looking a little sad. So we're going to go ahead and water with 2 cups each. This is a 4-cup measuring cup, and we're going to water with RO water, pH at 6.5. Actually, it's 6.6 today, so let's go ahead and get into it. I don't usually like watering this way. I have a big pump sprayer that I use to water. Sorry, don't have my camera on a tripod. We're going to give most of the water to the Strawberry Cough. There, you don't usually want to get water on the leaves. I'll probably take a paper towel and wipe them off. That way the light doesn't magnify on the leaves and burn holes. That possibly could be what that is from the last watering, but I don't know. Also looks like a bug could have ate it. So we'll just keep an eye out for any little critters and watch out for more holes. Humidifier is at 60%. PPFD on the light is at 200. Fan is still on level 1. Let's go ahead and turn that up to, you have to push this power button once and then twice. So now it's on level 2. It is 73 degrees Fahrenheit, 61% humidity. Exhaust fan is still on 6, and like I said, we are on day number 21, so I didn't mark off yesterday. So there's 20, here's 21, we're gonna put water. Next watering, we'll have some stash blend. Maybe some fish fertilizer, but it will definitely have stash blend. I might do fish fertilizer every other watering. We'll see. Okay guys, I got some stuff to do. We're gonna call this an end for this video. I'll catch you on the flip side. Hit Rippers 420 out.
Hey, Rippers 420 here. Today is day 26. Strawberry cough and purple lemonade autoflower grow. I had to order some Lost Coast plant therapy. I don't know if you can see. I got something chewing on my strawberry cough, and now a little bit on the purple lemonade. So, ordered some Lost Coast plant therapy. It's organic. I've heard good things about it. A lot of other growers use it. So hopefully that should be here in a few days. Today is water day. We're watering with a half gallon split. Not a half gallon each, so probably about a quarter gallon each of RO water, pH at 6.6 with Stash Blend. You don't know what Stash Blend is? It's additive. It has kelp, mycorrhizae, beneficial bacteria, all that good stuff. Just look it up. It's called Stash Blend. Okay, here we go. We're watering with the pump sprayer. So I like to get all around. There's some, and then here, oh, I forgot to turn off my humidifier so it doesn't blow in the way, but that's okay. Now purple lemonade, and I like to water slowly, which means I give so much and then come back later and water some more. That way all the water doesn't go straight to the bottom and out. It has a time to saturate the soil, especially because I don't have room and for drip trays. I can always see what's coming out of the sides, but that will suck back up into the pots. As long as the soil is somewhat dry, it'll suck it back up. So I ain't too worried about that. I mean, I'll show you. You can see it over here. There's some water on the floor, and this one over here is dripping a little bit, but like I said, it'll suck it back up. I ain't too worried about it. So now I'm gonna wait about 10 minutes and then I'll come back and water again. So hold on, we're gonna pause the video. Okay, we're back. Watering number 2. And as you can see, my pump sprayer does not spray. I took the spray nozzle. Sorry, bumping the camera here. And I took the spray nozzle out, and so water just flows out now. Makes it a lot easier to water. You can saturate the soil a little bit better. Okay, that's watering number 2, and we'll pause the video again, and we'll come back for watering number 3. Watering number 3. And that sound means we're done. As you can see, they're both were ready for watering. This one has leaves and stuff that are still perked up, but as you can see, the top leaves and stuff are drooping. There's some little yellowing tips, so which means there might be a little too much food in the soil. So that's one reason I didn't use the fish fertilizer today, just the stash blend, which still has an NPK, but it doesn't have very much. Okay, now we can put the sticky traps back. Okay, all those back. Humidifier is the same, 60%. Fan is still at level 2. PPFD is about 200. Haven't checked it, haven't moved the dial lately, so it should be at 200, around there. We're sitting at 74 degrees Fahrenheit, 61% humidity. Fan is at 7, and so, and maybe tomorrow or so we might start training. So today is the 18th. We're gonna write SB for stash blend. And yeah, we're going on week number 4. But otherwise, everything's going well except for those critters eating my leaves. But hopefully that Lost Coast plant therapy will take care of that. So, I got put my supplemental lighting back up. There we go. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a good day. I don't know what else to say or do. That's about all we have to do for today. Like I said, I might start training tomorrow, so we'll see. Pretty busy on Sunday usually. I go to church in the morning and relax usually in the afternoon at home. So, well, I hope you're having a happy Saturday, and God bless everybody, and just keep doing what you're doing, and hope my videos help you guys grow your own plants. Okay, I'm gonna call it quits. Hit Rippers 420 out.